Guys, so recently I uploaded an unboxing of the Bagotte Robotic vacuum cleaner. So this is my video on the in-depth review of the vacuum cleaner. So let us get on and start the video. And so basically the 4 core main functionalities of this vacuum cleaner is that it works with Wi-Fi and voice control. So basically like Alexa and Google Home and Google Mini. Then the second point is that it's a low 2.7 profile design, so which enables it to go underneath furniture and just clean underneath your furniture. Then the third and the most main important point is that it's a super strong 2200 PA suction power. And then the fourth point is that it's an upgraded 3-point cleaning system, and this is the BG800 version. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell you about the main body. So the main body has the Wi-Fi signal, and it shows you the status of the Wi-Fi. Then we have the home button. So once you press the home button, the vacuum finds its way to its charging station. Then we have the spot cleaning button, which is that it cleans a certain point for you that you want to clean. And then we have the on and off button, and basically you turn the vacuum on and off from here. And it's purple right now because it's charging, otherwise normally it's blue. Then I'm just going to go ahead and show you the bottom of the vacuum and the functionalities at the bottom. So this is the bottom of the vacuum. And so let's just start with the anti-drop sensors, which is over here, and here. They're on the side of the vacuum. Then we have the optical flow sensor, which is over here. Then we have the wheels, the main power on and off button. Then we have the dustbin. These are the charging contact pins, so this is what enables it to go back to its charging dock. Then we have the swivel wheel. This is the swivel wheel over here. And then we have the side brushes. Then this is the battery compartment. And this is the rolling brush. So basically that's everything that's underneath the vacuum cleaner. And now we're just going to show you the sides. The sides is the infrared, it's infrared sensors, and there's 13 of these sensors. There's one over here, and then there's one on the other side, which is over here. And then the front of the vacuum has the bumper of the vacuum. So like you can see, this is the bumper. I'm just going to put the vacuum down, and basically the vacuum is controlled by a remote control. This is the remote control, but like I said, it works with Wi-Fi and voice control, so you can use your phone to control the vacuum. So the vacuum comes with the Bugatti app. This is the Bugatti app, but I found that like the Bugatti app is so similar to the Smart Life app, and I have all my smart devices linked onto the Smart Life app, so I was like, okay, I might as well just add the robot to it as well because it's so much easier. So this is I'll show you all the controls and everything that's on the Smart Life app. So everything is identical to the Bugatti app. So this is what enables the vacuum to go front, forward, side, and this is the play button. So if I press the play button, the vacuum starts up. Then we have the map. So first of all, let's start off with that map. The map shows you the cleaning area that it's done. So at the moment it's 0.6, and then it shows you the cleaning time. And then normally once you like start up the app and stuff and start up the vacuum, it shows you the map of everywhere the vacuum's gone. Then we have the more button. And in the more button we have the suction, and you can decide what suction power you want. So if you want small, you can do small. If you want auto, then you click on auto, and then there's a big option. Then it's the material life. The material life tells you how well your brushes are doing at the moment. So it shows you the filter life, the rotating brush life, and the side brush life. At the moment it's 100% because we've just recently purchased the vacuum. Then we have the schedule. So with the schedule is that like normally like you want to clean up the house at a certain time. So that's when you place a schedule and you can schedule your time that you want the vacuum to start up. So it'll start it will do a repeat every day, and then you can add notes, and then you can add notifications, and then we go in the mode. We do edge, like it will clean up the edges. Then we have this room and the home. So we don't have any timers at the moment. Like if you have like a big house and sometimes your vacuum gets lost underneath some of the furniture, so you can just press the seek robot button, and with that you'll be able to find the vacuum. And then once you found it, you can just do confirm. And this is basically the vacuum going to its home, which is a charging station. So let's just go back to the app. So this is the auto button. It will automatically start the vacuum. And let me just show you. And this is me just controlling it from the application. So I was controlling all of that from the application. And then like I'll click on the map and I'll show you guys. So at the moment, because we didn't clean that much, it's not showing you a map, but it's showing you the cleaning area that it cleaned. So that's 0.2. And there's more functions on the app. Then we have the spot cleaning. If I click that, so like you see, it cleans a certain spot that you click on. And then we have the random. Once I click on the random, it will just go in a random area and just clean the random area. And then if for some reason you don't have a smartphone and you don't have the Smart Life app, or you don't have the Bugatti app, you can use the remote control. And this is the remote control it comes with, and that's what enables you to use the vacuum cleaner. So this is the right, left, and then the top and bottom buttons, and then this is the play button. All the functions that are on the application are exactly the same to the remote control. So look. I'll just turn it on and off for you guys to see. Everything exactly the same on the app. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the home button. So I'll click on home and then it'll find its way back to its charging station. And I've already connected it to my voice controls, so I'll just show you how that works. Alexa, turn off vacuum.
Did you mean family AC?
I'm sorry, I meant robot.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named vacuum.
Alexa, turn on robot. I'm sorry for that. Alexa, turn off robot. And now I'll just press the home button and it'll find its way back to its charging station. As you can see from the sensors, it can sense its way back to its charging station. So it's anyways, thank you guys for watching my in-depth review. If you like reviews on anything else, then I'll be posting much more reviews and in-depth reviews for you guys to watch. So please subscribe and like my channel, and I'll be uploading much more videos for you guys to enjoy. And please share this video with other people. Thank you so much.